How can I troubleshoot the issue of my iPad not ringing for FaceTime calls?
Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we will be addressing an issue that can occur with your iPad, specifically when it doesn't ring for FaceTime calls. This can be quite troublesome, especially when you're expecting important calls. So, let's dive into the various solutions and troubleshoot this issue step by step.
Are your notifications enabled?
The first thing we need to check is if your FaceTime notifications are enabled. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on FaceTime. 3. Then tap on Notifications. 4. Make sure that the Allow Notifications toggle is switched on.
Is your iPad on silent or do not disturb mode?
Another reason you might not be hearing your FaceTime calls could be because your iPad is in silent mode or do not disturb mode. For silent mode, check the side switch above the volume buttons on your iPad. If it's showing an orange color, that means your iPad is in silent mode. Switch it off to enable sound. For Do Not Disturb, go to Settings, then Do Not Disturb, and ensure the Do Not Disturb toggle is off.
Have you checked the volume?
Sometimes, it's as simple as the volume being turned down too low. Ensure that your volume is at an audible level. You can adjust it using the volume buttons on the side of your iPad.
Is your software up to date?
Occasionally, the problem can be a software issue. Ensure that your iPad's operating system is up to date. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap General, then Software Update. 3. If an update is available, tap Download and install.
Have you tried restarting your device?
Finally, if none of the above solutions work, try restarting your device. This can often fix temporary software glitches. To restart your iPad, press and hold the top button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait for 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and solve the issue of your iPad not ringing for FaceTime calls. If the problem still persists, you may want to contact Apple support for further assistance. I hope this video has been helpful and thank you for watching.